Good morning, students. In first module, we are having one more topic remaining, that is vapor pressure and cavitation. Okay. Still now, let's go overview. Okay. First, we have seen basic definitions like density, specific weight, specific volume. Okay. Next, viscosity we have seen. Next, on viscosity we have seen number of numericals, and most of you have solved. Next, bulk density we have seen. Sorry, compressibility and bulk modulus we have seen. Next, we have seen about surface tension and its numerical we have seen. Next, we have seen uh, capillarity rise and fall. I think only two of you have sent the answer. I think Sahil Jadhav, I think so. And one more student is Aditi Bakar. I don't know what about remaining, whether you are watching my videos or not, I am not getting. Okay, so please watch and complete that assignment also. Okay, and after, okay, now let us go to today's topic, that is vapor pressure. What is vapor pressure here? Okay, the pressure exerted by a vapor in equilibrium with its liquid. Okay, liquid molecules at the surface escape into the gas phase. This gas particles create pressure above the liquid in a closed container. Okay, here we are having three lines. I don't know whether you have understood or not. Just I will say, take a small vessel. Okay, fill the water. Uh, Fill the water and close that container. And close that container. And if you see in starting, see the liquid level here. Liquid level is up to here. Okay, we can't say water. Take any like, okay. Take some like oil type. Take some like oil. Okay, coconut oil you can take. Okay, next, if you see, if when I am closing this container, see after some time, like you can say after 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, after that what will happen here? Here the liquid level is decreasing. Here what is happening? The liquid level is decreasing. And what about why this where this water is going? It is evaporating. It is evaporating. And as this container is closed, what will happen? The evaporation it will be in container only, and it will pass. That it will be like molecules. These all are molecules. Like you can say vapor pressure means, you can say, like you can say, uh, whenever you are, for suppose, take water, okay, and boil it. Whenever you are boiling, after getting heat, what we will do? We will stop. But we have not stopped it. Just continuously we are making boiling. What will happen? Water will be evaporate. Now instead of that one, close that vessel and start evaporating. So what will happen? Inside itself, it will be formed like a molecules. That is nothing but like a fog. That is nothing but like a fog. One more example, you can say pressure cooker. You can say, what we can say, pressure cooker. Take rice, okay, and water. Take rice and water and make whistles of 3 to 4. What will happen in between? Water is getting evaporation. But if you see, immediately it won't be open. Immediately it won't open. We have to wait for some time. Whenever you are opening, what will happen? Whatever the liquid is there inside, it will be evaporate. It will be evaporate. Even you can see in rainy seasons also, uh, on floor or roads, whatever water will be there. When sun is there, due to the sun rays, what will happen? Water will get evaporate. Means what is happening here? Due to temperature increasing, water is getting evaporated. You can't say water, we can say liquid here. Okay. Now here you can say, here I have taken H2O molecules. Here what I have taken, these red bubbles are nothing but here H2O molecules. Okay. And inside water I have done. Inside water I have kept. What is happening? Here I have taken water. Okay. And same, whatever before example it is there, H2O is nothing but water. Okay. Here water bubbles are there. Whenever I am opening the liquid, what is happening? It is falling into the air. It is mixing in air. Okay. Like this. Means some may go down, some may go upward. Like this. These are nothing but H2O molecules. Just small example I have shown here. What is happening in first image? Molecules are in the container only. but it is traveling entire container. But when I am opening the cap here, what is happening? Molecules are getting outside. Okay. Now vapor pressure increase with increasing temperature. What is happening? Vapor pressures increasing with increases with increasing temperature. Just now I said, for suppose now you can see rainfall is there more, but whenever sun came, means sunrise is there, and temperature got increasing, means what will happen immediately? Water will get evaporate, because the sunrise, whatever it is there, it will absorb the water. What will happen? It will absorb the water. Now as temperature increases, the amount of vapor generated by liquid in a closed container increases. Means what is happening here? Here I am closing the container, means what we said, that is nature. This is what I am doing. I am taking liquid jar here, I am taking container, in this container water it is there, okay, and I am increasing the temperature here, like you can say pressure cooker, or you can say rice cooker. You can say, in rice cooker what we will do, we will close it, okay, and we will increasing the temperature, means we are boiling that one. Due to this boiling, what will happen, inside liquid will form into the molecules. Whenever I am opening, it will form like a fog. That is nothing but like gas, we can say, that is nothing but gas. This occurs because of liquid gains kinetic energy. Why it is getting, this is nothing but kinetic energy. What is the formula for kinetic energy? That is half into m into v square. What is kinetic energy? Half into m into v square. Here what is m? M is nothing but mass, v is nothing but velocity. What is m? Mv, that is mass into velocity. Best example here is arch. Okay, best example here is arch, we can say, or football, you can say. Football also we can say. For suppose before my leg, I am making sorry, I am keeping the ball, but with some force, what I am doing, with some force, or whenever I am beating with the leg, immediately what will happen, the ball will go to the goal location. Means what I am doing, some mass, that mass is nothing but our body, okay, and that beating is nothing but our force, okay. That is kinetic energy, we can say. Not only that one, we can say one more thing, you can say cricket ball also we can say, okay. Some weight of ball, that is nothing but weight of bowling, we can say in mass, okay, and we are throwing with by using some force, that is nothing but here velocity, okay. Means that force is a, and how much distance it is traveling, that is nothing but here velocity. The molecules can overcome the intermolecular force of attraction that are present in the liquid phase. Here what is happening in first unit, in starting location, what is happening, liquid is somehow, temperature is somehow less, okay, and at temperature 2, somehow molecules are more, somehow molecules are coming more, okay. Means what is happening, if I am increasing temperature continuously, entire water will be evaporate, entire water will be evaporate. Like the best example is rice cooker, you can say, okay. Next one, and here I have shown some image, that is means what we said, when pressure is increasing, temperature will be increasing. Please pause this video and watch this entire graph, you will understand. Means I have taken different types of liquids here. One I have taken pentan, one I have taken techlochromatan, and water. You can see the difference, whatever it is there, the boiling point is different somehow, the boiling point is different, and I am taking the average values of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means this value, this is nothing but constant value, we can say. What is this one? Constant value, means 3 value is crossing that value, 3 value is crossing that 760 bar, that is pressure, okay. Now what is cavitation? This is about vapor pressure. Now coming to cavitation. Cavitation is defined as the phenomenon of formation of vapor bubbles of a flowing liquid in a region where the pressure of the liquid falls below its vapor pressure. Means what is happening, for suppose I will say one more thing for you. Take one bowl of water and boil it. Okay. When you are boiling, what will happen? Starting it is okay. After some time, it will form like small bubbles. It will form like small bubbles. That bubbles are nothing but cavitation. What is that bubbles? For suppose see here, if I am taking one container and in that container liquid is there. what it is there, liquid is there. Okay, and to this liquid, what I am doing here, I am increasing, I am boiling this container. Okay, whenever I am boiling, starting it is okay. See, after 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, what will happen here? This will form into small bubbles. This will form into small bubbles. That bubbles are nothing but cavitation. Okay, generally cavitation is usually divided into two classes of behavior, that is inertial cavitation, inertial or transient we can say, and incipient cavitation. Okay, now what is inertial cavitation? Inertial cavitation is a process of where voids or bubble in a liquid rapidly collapse. Means what is happening here, bubbles will form and automatically it will collapse. Generally I think who knows cooking, they can observe this one. Whenever you are cooking, you can observe these all. Okay, means that breaking is nothing but here, whether we can say voids also. Voids means what? For suppose see here, here I am taking one container. Okay, bubbles is there like this. Sorry, I will take small diagram instead of this one. Bubbles are there here, but even if you see the bubbles, it is coming in different shapes. It is coming in different shapes. The gap between this one bubble to another bubble is voids. What is void? The gap between one bubble to another bubble is voids. Okay, in a liquid rapidly collapse. For suppose if you see here, here we are having 10 to 15 bubbles. Liquid bubbles is there. At a time it won't be collapse. Alternatively it will be collapse. That rapidly is nothing but here inertial cavitation. Okay, producing a shock wave we can say. Producing a shock wave means due to suddenly what will happen, entire bubbles will be collapse. Okay, like for suppose whenever boiling is continuously going on, stop the stove, immediately what will happen, entire bubbles will be collapsed. That stopping is, sudden stopping is nothing but here shock. Okay, now incipient cavitation is the point where the cavitation begins but has not reached a destructive state. Means here incipient means, for suppose in generally do one thing tomorrow, take one bowl of water. Okay, and keep some low flame, keep in low flame, and observe the water after 5 minutes. What will happen? Inside exactly the bottom of the water level, bottom of the container, means for suppose this is our jar. Okay, in this bottom, uh, means see after 5 to 10 minutes, when we have to see, after 5 to 10 minutes if you see, exactly at the bottom there will be small bubbles. Exactly at bottom what will happen, small bubbles will have. That small bubbles is nothing but here incipient cavitation. Incipient cavitation is a point where cavitation begins. Okay, that is the starting. And if you boil continuously, these small bubbles will come upside. Okay, and it will form like a larger. The bubble size will be increased. Okay, that is cavitation. And if I am breaking that bubbles, that is nothing but vapor pressure. If I am breaking that bubbles is nothing but vapor pressure. Okay, now here I have drawn the diagram. Okay, now see here, local fluid drops below the fluid vapor pressure. Here what is happening, pressure here it is a pressure is decreasing, and here what is happening, cavitation are there. These are nothing but bubbles. These are nothing but bubbles. Okay, and velocity is increasing, means what is happening here, for suppose take coconut oil. Okay, starting, if you see, it will have some small thickness, it will have some small like gel, it will be there, like gel it will be there. Then now what you have to do, increase the pressure to that one or increase the temperature to that one. I think you have done in your first year laboratory, that is viscosity test you can say. What test that is? Viscosity test. What we are doing there, we are taking the coconut oil if you see generally in winter season and rainy season, what will happen, it will come into the solid state, it will come into the solid state. Now what we have to do, increase means boil that what we can say, boil that coconut oil. Whenever you are boiling, what will happen, from solid to it will form into the liquid state. Don't see at room temperature. What is our room temperature? Room temperature is 27 degrees. See at 57 degrees or 67 degrees. It will form into the liquid. That is nothing but here velocity. That is nothing but here velocity. That is VVC. Okay. Here red line is nothing but pressure and velocity is nothing but, okay, red line is pressure and green line is velocity. Okay. Like this I have shown here the diagram for you. And the bubble emulsion, starting large bubbles will be there. Whenever I am increasing, what will happen? The shape will be changed and and collapse. Okay, means for suppose bubbles also. For suppose one more diagram you can take. One more example you can take. Take sugar. Small glass of sugar you can take. A small cup of take sugar from small cup. Okay, and boil it. Okay, generally uh, whenever cooking, we will think that bubbles should not come. To break that bubbles, what we will do? Continuously we will mix. Continuously what we will do? We will mix it. Whenever we are making continuously mix, what will happen? That bubbles will be break. Means starting it will form large bubbles, and whenever we are increasing the pressure, the size will be decreased. And if I one more still we are increasing the pressure or temperature, what will happen? The shape will be changed and finally it will be collapsed or it will be divided into two parts like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and one more thing you can say, starting it will be two parts. Okay, and whenever both are mixing, it will be like this, and it will form into the liquid and largest bubble. Okay, from small to largest. Starting what I said, small jar it is there. Okay, the starting of cavation will be small bubbles. The starting of cavation will be small bubbles. This will combine with each other and it will form into the large bubbles at the top side. Okay, means in the best means vapor pressure and cavation. Best way to remember here is there. Okay, whenever you are boiling, if the liquid is getting evaporation, if the liquid is getting evaporation, that evaporation is nothing but here vapor pressure. Okay, and whenever that boiling is completed or whenever increasing the temperature, the liquid will form into small bubbles. That bubbles is nothing but cavitation. That is vapor pressure and cavitation. So friends, this is about our first module. Okay, this is about our first module, and after this lecture, either in this lecture or in next lecture, I will give you assignment number 1. Assignment number will consider both theory part will be there, numerical part will be there. Refer textbook Bansal. Already I have it is in your group also. Refer that textbook. Okay, and this is about our first module. And in the next lecture we will start our second module. Thank you. Take care.